What's up, everybody? It's Pac-Man from Drunk Monkey Garage. We're in a little bit different setting today. We're actually in my kitchen. That's because we're starting a new playlist called Pints and Pilsners. On this playlist, we're going to take an adventure through home brewing some beers. And we also want to get suggestions from you guys on beers that we should try and give those a review. So if you guys have any suggestions on any homebrew kits that we should try or recipes that we should try, or if there are beers that you guys like and that you think we should try, leave those down in the comments for us. I purchased a few things for our first video. First of all, I purchased a craft beer kit from Craft A Brew. It's an American Pale Ale. Along with this homebrew kit, I also got the deluxe bottling kit. This comes with 10 bottles, the caps, and the capping tool. And I also got 2 additional recipe kits. One is the Hefeweizen, and one is the Irish Stout. I've never actually brewed beer at home, so this will be my first time trying. Should be fun, should be interesting. If this is something you guys want to see, make sure you hit that bell icon for future videos in this playlist. While you're at it, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. In this first video, we're just going to be doing an unboxing of the kit, see what's in there, take a look in the bottling kit, and I think the recipe kits are pretty much self-explanatory after we open the actual homebrew kit, because I think it's just the ingredients to go along with the homebrew kit. So stick around and we'll get to unboxing this and see what all comes in it. So let's get into it, see what's in here. First off, we have the guide to craft brewing beer. We have the racking cane. This appears to be the thermometer. Very well packaged. We have a funnel. We have tubing. And the 1-gallon carboy. This is what you use to ferment everything in. This appears to be the stopper and some other stuff. Sure, I'll figure out what that is when I get into it. Oh, it's the airlock. Okay. It says right on the side here what everything that's included. So, you've got your racking cane, your tubing. In here you have your stopper, your tubing clamp, airlock. I believe that's a cap to go over the racking cane. Then you have your funnel, your thermometer, and your bag of ingredients. See what all comes in this. bittering hops, yeast, no rinse sanitizer, because you want everything sanitized so you don't contaminate the beer. Looks like your hops, dry malt extract, and more hops. Oh, these are your grains. All right. So in our next video, I'll read through this before our next video, figure out what we need to do, and then in the next video, I'll take you through the brewing process. Like I said, I know nothing about home brewing. This will be my first attempt, but this looks like a pretty cool kit. Flip through the instructions. It doesn't look like it's going to be that difficult. I've been proven wrong before, so we'll have to see. Like I said, if you guys have any suggestions on beer kits we should try, recipes we should try, or even store-bought beers we should try, leave them in the comments. If you'd like to join us along in this adventure, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that bell icon for notification of future videos. And till then, cheers.